about it, it's so soft. The wool's so soft.
Hi guys, today we are going on a day trip from Chiang Mai to some of the hidden gems that are more known to locals but are lesser known to tourists.
So since we've been living in Chiang Mai for a little while now, we found this hidden gem, so we'll take you guys along with us. So let's go.
To the first place, we stumbled upon this one area accidentally. Apparently we are in the Tambon Merim area, and there is a temple where we stopped. Seems like it's out of the way, kind of secluded, so you probably won't find a lot of people in there. We haven't been in there yet. Seems super serene, beautiful. I think it's called the Quang Prachao Lana Temple. And the main thing that made us stop was actually two serpents or dragons, I don't know what they're called, but they're inside the lake and it looks so cool. Like, that's the coolest thing we've seen thus far, and we just wanted to stop here. It's also by a biking lane, so if you guys are in this area, I think this is a really nice temple. It's pretty secluded. We might visit it, I'm not sure, because we are on our way to our first spot, but we keep seeing beautiful things along the way, so we just keep stopping. So there is a kind of like a checkpoint where you do have to pay 50 baht per person for foreigners. I think it's 20 baht per person for locals. So we paid 50-50 each. That was 100 baht.
100 baht.
And then we stopped over to look at some really cute dogs.
Doggos.
Yes, so cute.
Yeah,
They're
just laying in the sun, lazy.
Exactly, lazy. Yeah. I thought they were tired. Maybe, you know, they've been running around all day. Yeah. But yeah, super chill. Beware of sheep! So cute! We finally made it to the Huai Thao sheep farm. Yeah. It is so beautiful. We actually saw sheep from like half a mile away.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're finally here. There's a lot of families here with children. Mm-hmm. We can already see like the sheep getting their photo ops, being fed.
And just roaming freely too,
yeah,
right?
They're free to roam. And you would think you're like in a Dutch farm, because there is a Dutch windmill that they've built along with like some structures of animals and stuff, and it looks so nice. The sheep are grazing. There's one grazing like right in front of us. Plenty of space. It's really like spread out, so there's plenty of room for everyone to kind of roam around and, you know, enjoy the scenery. Mm-hmm. Not just the sheep, but then like just the whole atmosphere is like, it's so serene,
it's so
and
relaxed.
calming. It's very
relaxed. Yeah.
Let's go look at the sheep, which is my favorite part. That's why we came.
And possibly feed them too.
Yeah, hopefully. Hello.
Hello there.
I make one of the cat's eye. This is so cute.
Yeah.
There's so many children around. Everyone's like having fun. It's so much fun to be here. Mm-hmm. There's kids and adults just holding the hay and just running around waiting for the herd of sheep to just come after them. We didn't find much information about the sheep farm. There wasn't much online. So if you guys know a little bit of history, or like when it was made, or like what the story behind this sheep farm is, let us know. It's still kind of hot right now, but not as hot as it would have been if we had come midday. So if you're coming, try to come during the morning or evening when it's a little bit cooler. And now I think I'm gonna try to go get some grass.
Can buy the grass and food and 20 baht, and grass 10 baht.
Okay,
This food, yeah.
And then what's the grass?
food.
Oh, okay. And then the grass is 10.
ของผมได้6ใช่ไหมครับ
Oh, there
เอาไป
is.
3
Grass.
Okay, okay. Can I have one grass, please?
นั่นมาเร็ว
Wait, come. Oh. Oh, God. Oh.
And the whole earth is,
This is a good area?
and she's surrounded.
Oh, they're violent, kind of. There you go. Oh my gosh. That's so big. Oh my goodness. No, but oh, he went for my butt. Hold on. Oh. Hi. Hi. Hi.
So cute.
Cute chippy. Hi. Oh my goodness. You are big. You're a heavy little bugger. Isn't the cutest?
Yeah.
Do you want to hold it? What if it poops on me?
Yeah. That is so cute.
Just grazing on its own, hanging out. It's so cute and so fluffy. He doesn't know, just like a baby, he doesn't know how to hold shit.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This is his first time.
First. It's such an adorable little one.
He's so cute. You're so cute.
its feet is dangling in the middle.
He's heavy. He's
Yeah.
heavy. What, see, like one hand down, one hand up. Hi. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Super adorable. I'm having a hard time letting him go. You're the cutest shippy boo. Wish I could give you a nice pet. Well, he's in his element. With his parents and siblings, probably, right? Would you like some
The girls in the back are being followed.
You know, like a couple of them, they hit my butt. Like a couple of them like poked my butt like a couple of times for me to turn around and give them food.
Oh, okay. It's like a little headbutt.
Yeah. A headbutt to the butt.
Oh, their wool's so soft. Oh, a little headbutt over there. Like trying to get out of my way.
Hey. So you have to have shoe covers if you want to go up upstairs of the windmill. My shoes are pretty wrecked from playing with the sheep. But you can buy these shoe covers for 10 baht. Come on. It keeps the area clean. So I'm gonna go up and I'll see you guys from up there. I'm climbing the windmill to go up and get a better view of the sheep and the pasture. So it seems like around 5 or 5:30, the shepherd comes and takes the sheep to the other side of the farm where they have their shelter. So I guess if you want to come, make sure it's before 5 p.m. where you can get a chance to play with the sheep and feed them and watch them graze. The views are incredible from up here, although I'm a little scared because one, I am afraid of heights and it feels like shaking just a little bit, but I'm pretty sure it's safe or else I wouldn't be up here. Another thing that's so beautiful about this area is there's a lot of birds. We've seen like at least 2 different species of birds here, and it's just so beautiful. They're just all over in the sky, and the rice paddies with like the little huts. I don't know, these are what dreams are made of, in my opinion. It's just simple and so sweet. What life should be.
Right next to the sheep farm is the sculpture park. And one of the sculptures being an elephant.
Our favorite animal. Gentle giants. It's just so nice to see families with their children coming over here. I think it's already closed because usually the lady told me that the sheep farm closes at 5. We were there till 5:30 and then there were families still coming in. So it's just right across from the sheep farm, and there's families who just came in after us, like 3 other cars that came in. And everyone's here enjoying the sunset, looking at the structures. It's a nice open space to enjoy your evenings, I guess. It's definitely more popular, we hear, amongst the locals, and tourists don't really know this area, and we probably didn't really see many tourists, maybe
No.
like a couple.
It seems like it's a lot for the locals.
Yeah, so like this is the thing to do maybe when you have a day off or during the weekends, but we are here on a weekday, I'm glad. So actually there aren't as many people as maybe expected during the weekend. I smell like sheep and rice straw.
Yeah.
You know I'm scared of heights,
I
right?
think it's fun.
You could dangle your feet from there.
No,
You
thanks.
can sit down. Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm already scared. This is like... Whew.
That is awesome. As if it's got you in its arm, in its hand. This is so cool. It's amazing.
That's a dollar one.
Looking through the mouth of it.
It's beautiful everywhere. There are floral installations. There's you have all your animal straw structures. You have like we've kind of seen these buckets with like flowers, floral installations, like flowers kind of pouring out of the buckets. We kind of saw this in the Dubai Miracle Garden.
Yes.
Yes, so Dubai Miracle
That-
Garden, as well as the Chiang Mai Flower Festival. They also have that here. They actually have a boat behind me with a whole bunch of flowers and a cute little pink umbrella over top, which I'm going to show you.
Very buoyant.
Yes, like a water bike. We really wanted to do this, but the park closes at 6, and I'd just been cuddling the sheep for like the longest time. I had a hard time, so time just slipped by us. But yeah, this is something really cool that we wanted to do. So if you guys come, like, we would highly recommend doing these. Maybe even for us, if we find some more time while in Chiang Mai, we might come back one of these days and do it. You know, just to have some more fun.
For coming along with us to Huai, Thao, Reservoir, the sheep farm, and the sculpture park. It was a blast just spending time there with the sheep.
I just couldn't let go with one of the baby sheep.
Yeah.
We really wish we
Mosquitoes?
had more
Yeah.
time in the area, because just the sheep farm, the sculpture garden, and the lake, like you can have lunch at the lake, because
So-
in the evening they do everything shuts down. The water bikes, so I'm like, we
Bikes,
wanted
yeah.
to try that as well. So I mean, we didn't get a chance to do it. We hope to go back, but if we're not able to, if you or your family come to Chiang Mai, these 3 places are must visit. And the wonderful thing about this is that they're right next to each other.
They have the walkway from the sheep farm to the sculpture garden, or
Yes.
vice versa, so you guys could bounce around
Yeah.
however you like.
And I like that they had the huts in between the walkways, so if you're going, you could take your really nice aesthetic photos, or just take in the seats, sit in one of those bamboo, either bamboo or straw tents,
Yes.
and take in the scenery. I mean, it's just,
It's very peaceful
very serene,
Yeah.
peaceful day, very calming.
because just kind of spending time in Chiang Mai alone could become a little hectic. Just dealing with traffic or whatever, but going to the reservoir, kind of like away from all the hustle and bustle. I would say it's up northwest of the airport.
Yeah. And it's about
very
like 20
secluded.
minutes,
Yeah.
20 to 30 minutes away from where we are in Chiang Mai. But yeah, so we hope you enjoyed coming along with us today. And remember, wherever you go, don't forget to wander. And we'll see you in the next video.
All right.
Bye. Here, you hold him. Go hold him.
Wait, it's just feet though.
No, it's not.
It's just feet.
It's okay.
Could a dragon or something?
Serpent dragon? I don't know. It looks like a serpent. Like and subscribe. Wherever you go, don't forget to wander. Or graze.